loyalty for CNH Academy. I, Anastasia, solemnly swear to be faithful in discharging my duties as CNH teacher. I pledge to abide all rules and regulations from the administration of the Academy, to be completely honest, dedicated to my duties as a teacher, to conduct myself professionally, and give all the best of my abilities in imparting knowledge to all my students, to be loyal always and defend the name of the Academy, to foresee and plan for the betterment of all students, co-teachers, staff, and the Academy. This pledge of loyalty is voluntarily, freely executed to the best of my knowledge on this day of the second month of January 2009 at CNH Academy, Talisay, Cebu, Philippines.